Hey, Emma, why are you sitting here alone?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Did something happen to you?
No, please go from here.
Are you angry with me?
No, I am just upset.
Why? What happened?
Nothing special. I feel unhappy.
Please tell me your problem.
No, just leave me alone.
Okay, then I am going now.
Wait, where are you going?
I am going home. Please sit here for a moment. First, tell me what is wrong.
Oh no, forget it.
Are you okay?
Yes, but I feel sad.
Why are you feeling sad?
In my office, everyone speaks English.
Then what happened?
My English is very poor.
What do you mean?
I mean, I can't speak fluently.
Who told you that?
Nobody. I feel it myself.
Oh, that is your problem.
I make many mistakes.
You just need practice.
How can I practice English?
You can speak with friends daily.
But I feel shy.
Don't be shy. Everyone learns slowly.
What if people laugh at me?
They won't laugh. They will help you. It is normal in the beginning.
Still, I feel nervous.
Then practice small sentences every day.
I want to improve fast.
Like, what sentences?
Like, how are you?
Yes, start from easy words.
That sounds good. Can I learn English at home?
Of course you can. You can watch English videos. That will help you. Should I speak in front of the mirror? Yes, that helps a lot. I want to speak confidently.
You will just keep trying.
Thank you for supporting me. I will always support you. I feel better now.